What's up, Pyros? Today we're going to take a look at a new firework brand to me. That's going to be the Mag Value Fireworks 25 shot 500 gram cake called Sons of Thunder. Obviously, I like the wrapping. It's got blue, and obviously you got the lightning. You got fan effect, so we know it's going to be a nice angled barrage style cake. I'm assuming what, 5 volleys of 5 shots. Got the fuse on this side. See the performance. Let's see, here it is. So we have Sons of Thunder is a force to be reckoned with. 25 fan shots of crackling mines to neon purple, orange dahlias, vibrant blue, green dahlias, and crackling willows with red plum flowers. All right. So we're gonna have some crackling tails throughout this cake. Those are the tubes. So, yep, 5 shot volleys of 5. Inside diameter is about 1 inch on all the tubes. Got some nice angled, your typical 25 shot angled 500 gram cake that you see on the market, but Mag Value, new brand to me. Hopefully they have some good products. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below of this firework and that brand, if you've ever shot any other products from them. So I think I'm just excited to shoot this one, so we're just going to jump straight in the demo. So Pyros, let's go ahead and see what this Mag Value Fireworks 25 shot 500 gram cake called Sons of Thunder looks like. I hope you Pyros enjoy. For now, I'll see you Pyros next week with another demo video.